On this accord, P2827 is a high-input fault for line pressure solenoid valve in the automatic transmission control circuit. The vehicle may have shift complaints, a warning light, or reduced transmission operation, but this diagnostic path treats the code as an electrical circuit problem, not an internal mechanical transmission failure. The broad areas in play are the solenoid circuit, connector and terminal condition, the ground side, the signal wire back to the PCM, and the PCM control side. Before touching the circuit, save the freeze data and any onboard snapshot with the HDS so you know the conditions the car saw when the fault set. Start with the basic system checks. Select on mode with the engine start/stop button, then check the PGMFI system for pending or confirmed codes with the HDS. If other codes are present there, check what they mean first. If there are no PGMFI codes to chase, move to the automatic transmission system and check for pending or confirmed codes there. If P2827 is not indicated, treat it as intermittent for now. The system is okay at this moment, so inspect for poor connections and loose terminals between line pressure solenoid valve and the PCM. If P2827 is indicated, the failure is duplicated, and you can move into circuit isolation. Turn the vehicle OFF. Disconnect the line pressure solenoid valve a 2P connector, jumper connector no. 1. The YEL wire to body ground. Turn on mode back on and clear the code with the HDS. For the running portion, either use a lift or apply the parking brake, block the rear wheels, raise the front of the vehicle, make sure it is securely supported and allow the front wheels to rotate freely. Start the engine. With the brake pedal pressed, shift to D, then release the brake pedal. Watch APP sensor % on the HDS and press 2% opened and release 0% opened the accelerator pedal every 2 seconds. Now check again for pending or confirmed transmission codes. If the circuit changes over to the companion low input fault, continue with the solenoid ground side check. If it does not, move to the PLA line open circuit check. For the solenoid ground side branch, turn the vehicle OFF and remove the jumper wire. With the line pressure solenoid valve a 2P connector still disconnected, check continuity on the PG circuit between connector No. 2. The BLK wire and body ground. If there is continuity, the fault is in line pressure solenoid valve A, and the repair is to replace the secondary valve body, which includes line pressure solenoid valve A. If there is no continuity, line pressure solenoid valve is okay on this check. Repair the open in the PG wire between line pressure solenoid valve and body ground G101, or repair the poor body ground at G101. If the force circuit test did not bring in the companion low input fault, turn the vehicle OFF and remove the jumper wire. Jump the SCS line with the HDS, then disconnect PCM connector B, the 51P connector. With the solenoid connector and PCM connector disconnected, check continuity on the PLA circuit between line pressure solenoid valve, a 2P connector No. 1. The YEL wire, and PCM connector B51P No. 5. Also the YEL wire. If there is continuity, the PLA wire is okay, and the repair path is PCM replacement. If there is no continuity, repair the open in the PLA wire between line pressure solenoid valve and the PCM. Keep verification separate from fault isolation. After the repair path is completed, verify the repair and confirm P2827 stays gone before delivery. The takeaway is simple. Prove the code, force the circuit to respond, then use the continuity checks to separate the solenoid, ground, PLA wire, and PCM sides without guessing. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.